Hello fans, it's Ultra, and today video I'm going to teach you guys how to do shotgun throw with Snowbird. The shotgun throw is pretty simple. All you have to do is to tap your snowboard and quit, then tap on your shooting button, then switch to weapon, then jump. The animation will appear. And also if you do it in wrong way, the animation won't show. He works on all gun if you learn it perfectly. This is how it looks like when fighting enemies. I hope this helped you guys a little. Follow me for more tutorials.